Hello guys, here's an awesome thing you did not know you can do with a JavaScript reduce method. Let's say you are given an array of colors, and you are required to produce the number of times they occur in an object, like something like this. So there are quite a number of ways you can do this in JavaScript, but one of the easiest way to do this is to use the JavaScript reduce method. And to do that is kind of simple and kind of straightforward. So let's say you call the reduce method on the array, right? And then you initialize it with an empty object. So in this case, the accumulator here becomes the empty object, and then the current color that we are iterating through. So the reduce object is an iterator. So the current color that we are iterating through, or we are looping through, will be there. So let's say now for the example that we have here, you can see that we want to get the number of times a red occurred in this array. So the very first time you realize that the object is empty here, so when it gets there, it's going to realize, okay, so we are asking here, okay, do we have this particular color in our current object, which is the accumulator? Do we have this particular red color as a property in that object? And if we do, then set the number to that color and then add 1 to it. But if we do not, then set that color to 0 and then add 1 to it. So in the very first iteration, when it sees red here, it's going to say, okay, well, we don't have that in there, so I'll set it to 0 and then I'll add 1 to it, so it will become 1. And the very next time it will see red, to say, okay, we already have red as 1 in, which have a value of 1 in it. So the value here for the color red in our object will be 1, and then I'll add 1 to it. So at the end of the day, we simply return the accumulator, and then we have an awesome result like this. So follow me for more.